Everyone, welcome to my channel, Bisaya here in Washington. I have this channel about workouts, dancing. So I hope you enjoy. Sometimes I do my daily tasks like cleaning my house, a daily routine. And I hope to subscribe and hit like. Bisaya here in Washington. Bye!
And garlic.
Right, we do have the pesto here.
So what I'm saying is you make the pesto and then you put the prawns and everything in the linguine along with the pesto.
So you want linguine instead of fettuccine?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I think we can do that for you.
Okay.
So linguine, pesto, and then you want prawns with that?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Is it good, honey?
Oh yeah. Dry beef.
Okay. I'll get try this one. So you dip it here?
Mmm. Eat it.
Yeah.
You gotta eat it right away. Don't sit there and let it sit.
I'm gonna put right here. Thank you.
No, eat it right away.
Okay. Mmm. Good.
You'll love Italiano.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah. Garlic up the ass.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. So you can pick up your noodles quicker.
Mm. Good.
Good.
Thank you. Okay. Mmm. You want some? Mmm. Peachy plan.
It's Italiano food.
Vanilla plan.
You like Italiano food?
Yeah. Mmm.
Way better than...
Filipino?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Filipino food. No, don't get me wrong. I know you'll like it.
I like it.
Oh,
You
you'll
want
like
some,
it.
honey?
No,
Try it, you got some.
No, that's yours.
Okay.
Yeah, I know you'll like it.
Mmm. I like it. I love it.
Italians make some good dessert.